Today I will be discussing the range of Tri Clover adapters offered by the metal company. Tri Clovers are commonly used in the food and beverage industries in New Zealand. They are designed to quickly connect and disconnect frequently dismantled sections of pipework or hosing. These adapters are designed to make it easier for you to use Tri Clovers in different configurations without the need for welding parts together. The metal company stocks Tri Clover adapters in several configurations, including BSP nipple to Tri Clover adapter, BSP socket to Tri Clover adapter, RJT male to Tri Clover adapter, and a press fit to Tri Clover adapter. If you need a Tri Clover adapter configuration that is not available, we offer a welding service that can make it for you. So whether you need a standard adapter or a custom configuration, we have you covered. I hope this has been helpful in explaining the metal company's range of Tri Clover adapters to you. If you have any other questions, please get in touch with the crew at the metal company because we make buying stainless steel easy.